This is going to be one of the most important modules inside this course. This is where we discuss how to master marketing funnels as an affiliate. On your screen, you can see an image of how newbie marketers do affiliate marketing. They have their traffic source, which, for example, could be Facebook traffic or solo ads, all going directly to the offer. Of course, these affiliates make some money by doing this. But if this is the way newbie marketers do affiliate marketing, then how do pro marketers do it? Or better yet, how should you correctly be doing affiliate marketing? Here is how. Once you send traffic from any external sources, especially from a paid traffic like Facebook, PPC traffic, or solo ad traffic, you mustn't send it directly to your affiliate offer. Instead, you have to build a squeeze page in front of the affiliate offer. A squeeze page or email capture page is where you collect the leads of your traffic. They enter their email addresses in order to access the actual offer sales page. This way, you're building your email list and making money with affiliate offers at the same time. Don't worry, we have the details and examples of this process sorted for you in the next slides. Remember, I've shown you the affiliate secret vaults like JVZoo and Warrior Plus. You can select different affiliate offers from these marketplaces and start hitting them inside your list. Now, this is how a typical squeeze page looks like. This is one of my squeeze pages, and here's another link which I've made. Both are very effective in building my list. This squeeze page converts like 35 to 40%, which is way above the index standard. Remember these things when building a squeeze page. First, the headline must be short and sweet. Don't make a headline like 8 lines long. 3 to 4 lines is the max. Next, it must be congruent with the sales page or offer page. This is where most marketers go wrong. Your squeeze page must be similar to the actual sales page or the offer page. For example, if your sales page talks about $100 to $150 per day, it should be the same with your squeeze page. If not, the prospect will feel lost and just leave the page. Another thing is to avoid any kind of junk design. Make your design simple and neat. So if you want to build your list and make money in complete autopilot, start using this kind of funnel now. You could start with a single lead, and that could grow to thousands. Just send the traffic to the squeeze page first. Then you will definitely make money from the front end and from the list you are building. See you in the next video for more exciting affiliate marketing tips.